OK, so far we've made
0 tips.
So we must initiate
Plan time!
Maybe we wait for them out of sight, then when they finish, we surprise them for our tips.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, it was crazy. Like,
Can we have our tips?
Onion? Onion? Maybe if you dangle me on a piece of string, I can grab the tips from above.
Yeah. Rope's too long. Maybe we just ask for the tips straight up. Can we have tips?
no.
Maybe if we have cute duck costumes,
Can we have tips?
I hate ducks, because I'm a sandwich with bread. They eat bread.
Maybe we serve the food on roller skates.
Oh, we wear the roller skates and carry the food. True.
Today's special is...
Can I have tips, please?
No, you don't even work here!
OK. Can I get a push back then, please?
As I was saying, today's special is going to...
Did you say no to tips?
Yes!
Then can I have a push back then as well, please?
I'm so sorry, sir.
I think your floor might have a slight angle.
Yeah, it's definitely slanted. Failed. Thanks for letting us use your bum as a whiteboard, 2-gallon milk.
Oh, you're welcome, guys. Is there anything else I can do to help?
Oh, no. You've done more than enough.
Well, you just let me know.
Thanks, man.
Here, for your service, $1.53 and a clue.
Nothing? See you guys.
What a beautiful soul.
Onion, we just gave away our money. We're supposed to get tips, not give them. Ugh.